Files are like digital notebooks where we store information such as documents or pictures on our computer. Folders are like virtual drawers where you can store and organize your files, making it easier to find them later. Folders help organize files by keeping similar documents together, making it easier to find what you need. When naming files, use clear and descriptive words so others can easily understand what the file contains. Avoid special characters and spaces to ensure the file name works on different devices. To save a file, click on File at the top left corner. Then select Save or press Ctrl+S. Command+S on Mac. Files are like digital notebooks that store information, while folders organize these files just like folders in a physical desk. Files are like digital papers that store information, while folders organize these files just like drawers organize your stationery.